Good morning mga kapadyak, nandito tayo sa Balongaw. Kompleto na tayo. Ang team E3, ang ating trail master. Masipag na maghanap ng trail natin, si Bro Ruel. Oh, nandito rin si Libon.
Jerry!
Sir AJ, Uncle, Albert. Yung isa natin trail master. Sa tour.
Love.
Dan, idol. Diyan rin. Hardcore na to. Datang. Si Boss Jun.
Oh, pre.
At meron tayong bisita dito, special guest. Ang Mount Balongaw Pitik. Pakilala ka. Ayun. Anong pangalan mo, idol?
Ako po si Mark Sabat.
Oh. Like nyo follow nyo yung page niya.
Yes, sir!
Alright.
5 minutes later. A few moments later.
Endron! Si Bro Ruel. Woo!
I see her rolling up
Chicken
with a
price.
black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of
Third
tats.
price.
Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad.
Yan din.
After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Big lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her near touching me. She got a bad little waist and we tear
sige,
it
sige.
on this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some
Ang
needles
apat,
to the
si
face, baby. I don't need
Mark.
no space. Coming
Mount
closer
Balongaw
for a
Pitik
taste.
Vista.
I'll show you how I make everything just fade
Lima.
away. 'Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane.
Si Bro. Ang lima. Napasubo.
Automatic 'cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Sir Satur, Trail Master. Ang aming datang. Pangpito si datang.
Got a fine
Yeah.
little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once
Thank.
you taste it, you can now replace it. She could get you high, all the
Ang walo
dopamine
si Sir
inside
EJ.
triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his imitation.
Wala, matatalo rin lang, sir.
But even he couldn't learn.
Okay, salo rin.
Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement. A body by say she got a bad little waist and we tear it
Pang
up
siyam,
this
si
place. Off the
Boss Jun.
liquor that we chase. Got some needles
Sana
to
all,
the
naka
face,
full
baby.
face.
I don't need no space. Coming closer
Sunod na ako ng
Oh,
show you
yun.
how I
Sunod na
make
ako ng
everything just fade away.
TV.
'Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel
Yan ang technique mga kapadyak.
sex, drugs,
Tepad.
cocaine.
Si Sir Dennis. Mega season mga kapadyak. pang ilan na? Pang 11 na si Sir Dan. Ayos. Yan, the flying fat boy ng Team Bangad.
Ilang years bago pumadyak.
Sana na sir, napadalaw ka dito.
Back to saddle.
Yun. Akyat na tayo mga kapadyak.
Downhill. Free ride.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes
pa
and
yata.
face the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta.
A few minutes later.
Diretso na tayo. Yay!
Sige, sarap ng kagarod.
Okay.
Ay, siya. Time trial. Dahan-dahan lang. Let's go! First time natin dito mga kapadyak. Yahoo! Ha! When? Sa gilid lang, sa gilid. Hop, bato. Yung RD. Ha. Ride safe sa amin mga kapadyak. Bam! Nabitin. Nangataw. May pa dyan. Go! Sinusundan natin mag-ama mga kapadyak. Father and son. Go! Ah, one. Nah, sana sarap. Nice. Ay, ni Mark. Yeah. Orang itu baban. Oh, bitin! Hindi ako nakapag-ship. Ha? Uy, uy. Yun, nakuha ko. Uy, wrong way. Woo! Woo! Oh. Wala nito. Nice bro. Dito yun. Haha. Wala. Daming time bomb. Palabas na ito mga kapadyak sa may kalsada. Idol. Mangga. Dito na kami sa Mangga. Exit. Balik kami sa may parkingan namin mga kapadyak. Yan lang oh.